If you're experiencing shoulder pain and it's keeping you up at night, let me walk through a 4 to 5 minute routine with you that will help to relieve some of the pain in your shoulder. The first exercise is going to be a pendulum exercise, and so we position ourselves along the side of your bed and allow that shoulder to go back and forth, swinging like a pendulum. We're going to do this together. I'm going to set a timer for about 30 seconds and we'll perform this together. So whatever arm is bothering you, allow that to hang gently and use your body to perform this pendulum back and forth. And if we haven't met before, welcome to the channel. I'm Tim Fraticelli. I'm a physical therapist, and on this channel, I love helping people like you make progress toward your goals. And if your goal is to get rid of this shoulder pain so you can get some sleep at night, let me know by giving this video a like below. We'll work through a few more seconds as you perform this pendulum, swinging the arm back and forth. Take a little break. I'm assuming you only have pain on one side, but if you have pain on the other side, pause the video, do that pendulum as well. It provides that distraction technique to the shoulder, so it should feel pretty good. The next exercise we're going to work right into is a weight shifting exercise along the side of your bed. We're going to go into a little compression on one side and back to the other arm, putting your body weight on one to the other. You're in control, so if it's painful as you put more pressure on the one side, don't go as far. We're going to do about 30 seconds together, and I'll set the timer and ease into a little weight shifting left and right. I like this because it puts some compression in the shoulder. We just got done doing a pendulum, which is more of a distraction technique, but this compression technique is under your complete control. So if you only go over this far and you ease back and work a little bit into the range a little bit more every time, that's a great way to progress this exercise. We did it for about 30 seconds and ease out of that weight shifting exercise. All right, for this next exercise, we're going to be doing a scapular retraction. It looks like this, where we squeeze the shoulder blades together and relax. I'm not shrugging the shoulders, I'm just squeezing the shoulder blades and relaxing. So let's do about 30 seconds of this scapular retraction exercise. We don't need any weight as we do this scapular retraction exercise. Of course, I do have a band right here, and I can put a little resistance, squeezing the shoulder blades with a little tension in front with the band, but we don't have to use the band. We're just going to squeeze the shoulder blades together for about a second or two, relax them, do it again, squeeze the shoulders, relax, squeeze the shoulders, and the neck should stay completely relaxed as you go through the scapular retraction exercise. Speaking of the neck, we're going to be doing a trapezius stretch. The trapezius muscle is right here, and so the way we do that is brace our arm alongside the bed, or you could even sit on one arm, and I'm going to bring that ear on the opposite side to the shoulder. And so we're going to stretch that for about 20 seconds. Be ready to get started. Bring the ear over to the side and hold that stretch. It should not be painful. If it is, just back out of it a little bit and hold that stretch. Remember to keep breathing. A few more seconds. Very good. Ease out of that stretch. We're going to do the other side. Just brace that arm, bring the ear towards the shoulder on the opposite side, and then hold that stretch for about 20 seconds. All right, a few more seconds on this stretch. We're going to ease out of it. Should not be any pain as you're doing this stretch sequence or exercises. We're going to finish up here with one final exercise. All right, so alongside of your bed, if you position a pillow here, your arm can rest along that pillow. What we'll do here is a shoulder flexion slide. So we slide along the pillow and bring the arm back. And what we can do is even get a little bit more of a stretch as we hold that at the end range and come out of it. And so I'll set the timer and we'll do this shoulder flexion table slide is what we call it as we do this stretch together. So let's get started. Allow that arm to go forward. Ease out of it. You should not feel that tension in the neck. If you do, then work to relax the neck as best as you can as you allow that arm to slide forward and even get a little stretch at the end and come back out of it. Another variation of the shoulder slide exercise is to do it against a wall. And so we can position ourselves up against the wall and slide up and then slide back down. You could even give a little stretch at the very end, hold that position and come back down. Again, none of these exercises or stretches should be painful. If you experience some pain or discomfort, just ease out of how far you're doing that. Of course, you can repeat this video 1 or 2 more times to see if it helps to relieve some of the pain in your shoulder, but I really think that you're going to find some relief, especially with that pendulum exercise. So if you want to go through this exercise series again, hit repeat. If you want to see another video that I think you'll find helpful, you can find that up there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the replay or in the next video.